I'm so glad to be here after being on a journey in time and life. You know, when these young brothers came up and started playing, I was playing back in 1965, 1970. And it's good to see them carrying on. You understand what I'm saying? Because so many of our musicians and songs and songwriters have moved on. Barry White, and I can go on and on and on. But I'm so glad to see that these young brothers here is carrying on the jazz tradition that I grew up in. Rock and roll. All the music that you can play in the neighborhood, you can hear it on the radio. And I started collecting albums and 45s way back in the day. And I was only back in the 50s when I was about 13 years old. And music became a part of my life. You know, for about 16 years I turned off the television and I turned into music. And music took me through some trials and some tribulations. And without that music from Marvin Gaye and Tammy Terrell and the Temptations and Smokey Robinson and the Four Tops and Wilson Pickett, you know, those songs gave me life and inspiration where other people was drinking and drugging. I stayed free of those addictions because I knew they were detrimental to my health, and my health being, first of all, God gave me the strength. So I knew if I kept on the pathway and the right way, I would be here today to testify that 66 years and thousands of miles traveling across the world, people always enjoyed music. So in music you could dance and you could shout and you could raise up and say, hey, I like that, without nobody criticizing you because you said the wrong thing or you sang the wrong song. Because blues, jazz, R&B, gospel, reggae, country and western, all music from all different cultures across the world. I've been into 12 different countries and always there was music. There was instruments, there were people singing and dancing. Tonight why you see me dressed like this is because our peoples from the continent of Africa, even in times of hunger, even in the times of floods, even in times of famine, they had the strength to dance and praise God. Because God always came through. Yes, some died, many suffered, but down through the generations, even after years and years of being segregated, discriminated, today we still have hope that this land we call the United States of America will show the world that we are a one nation with God in the things that we do. More love, more power, more respect. And right now I'd like for you to remember all those fallen soldiers in the music world